Fuck recession. Fuck the government. Fuck you. Fuck school. Fuck everything. Fucking government. Fuck recession. Fuck inflation.
They were good. Sorry, I'm not for me. I was like, what's going on?
Hey guys, it's been a minute. It's been a long minute. It's been a really long minute, and I decided to show my face on here shamelessly. Anywho, so guys, I'm making a vlog today. I have a shoot by right now. Actually, I'm waiting for my friend to meet me here, so I'm just waiting. Then I'm gonna do a couple of things after, so I want to take you guys with me. My eyebrows look so bad today. I don't know why. Probably didn't sleep a lot, and it's actually showing. I don't like that. I really don't like that. My makeup is giving though. It looks really soft and really natural. Forgot to take my lash glue, so I have no lashes on with a long ass freaking wing. Isn't that insane? Anyways, I'm just here waiting, so yeah. Hi guys. So actually was supposed to have a shoot today, but unfortunately we came really late. You came late. Correction. And all of that. And please, the girl that she was asking for eyelash glue by 1:30. And you did not bring it. Can you imagine? For eyelash glue by 1:30. You didn't bring it. By 1:30. Please.
See, please remind me. We need him to hoop.
Like, take it up and bounce it again. Yeah. I'm getting it.
It's one more.
Is it possible to get all of us in frame?
I like a person. I put all my frustration.
You know, you was saying something just now, bro. I did best for person, but to best for you don't get it.
Or then let's create this place where you can like cook the things.
They actually are. It was non inside person.
Yeah, like inside.
I thought about that shit so many times.
Like I just want to break stores. Oh.
I feel like there should be a place, and guys, do not judge me after I say this. You understand? There should be a place where you can go and actually punch and hit human beings.
I scared you. There, don't say something.
Like yes, like imagine if
Like maybe
you really want
you
to
are the
know.
crazy one.
No, obviously.
I was like, huh?
Would you want to know what it feels like to stab a person without actually stabbing a person?
Yeah, there you are.
You were close.
I was like, that sounded like what he wanted to say in the beginning.
But it was like,
let me know.
Let me not say it.
let me just use sponge.
I think there should be though.
Right,
That's called
for
what?
real?
What's that thing? Squid Games.
Okay.
Oh, so you want to be the one doing damage, but you don't want damage to be done to
I
you.
swear. Just small shanking now.
Shanking, right?
Yes, I just want to know the feeling.
Stab
That,
it.
exactly. If you cut banana, you go know say na banana be that. But how will you know if you're cutting flesh? You gotta experience it one time.
Alright,
At
alright.
least.
One day at a time.
I will. Small.
God damn.
Ready to strain this box.
I mean,
Alright,
I
so
feel like I'm late for my
Patience.
frustration. Small.
relax. Get there. So,
I'm late for my frustration.
Alright, let's go.
okay. 3, 2, 1,
Are you
go.
gonna tell us like
3, 2,
okay,
1.
open. Like I just need something like open.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you shifting it forward?
Just you're sitting there.
So if you are all opening at the same time, how?
Yeah, when everyone you open your kick, you bring out your box and you bring it out. Like you just bring one leg, the right leg, this leg.
Okay.
Wow, that was very intense.
Wow, we have to have forces.
Wow, what the
The girls are slow. Oh, I think I got something. What's that? Oh,
Yeah, you know what's in the box?
I showed it now.
what's in your box? Okay.
Somebody got it down.
Okay.
This was very aggressive.
Check this out, motherfucker.
Ooh, okay.
That looks neat. That looks neat.
Okay, next one. Woo, this is fun.
Let me get one of those. Let me get one of those.
What it is?
Yes, sir.
This is nice.
Oh,
That's a
shit.
beautiful color.
So pretty.
Man, new drops in the store. Why so sad? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Last
Okay.
one.
Wow, that one is different there too. Let me see that. Yeah. Kentucky baby. You know what it is?
The last one.
Nah, that was good for last.
I swear.
Steve Walker.
Save the best.
Yes, guys. We're done.
I'm so happy.
I swear.
Nah, this video is all about my friend.
Destroying is sweeter than arranging.
Yeah. Yeah, not the reality is real.
What's that?
Box
So yes,
full
everything. Like,
of everything. And fucking government. Fucking session. Fucking pleasure.
They were good.
These are the action for me.
I was like, wait, what's going on? What's going on?
Trust me, I should try. That felt so fucking good.
Ah,
What?